According to the health department, whooping cough is making a comeback in Kansas. These numbers tell the whole story. Last year, there were 429 cases reported in Kansas, the most since 1945. Compare that to 2001, when there were only 11 cases. KAKE's Chris Frank reporting from Kingman, which recently confirmed a whooping cough case.
Cases of whooping cough, considered uncommon in Kansas only a few years ago, now continuing to pop up across the state. The latest confirmed case, a student here at the Kingman High School.
There's been some concern.
Pertussis, or commonly called whooping cough, was once quite common before vaccination 70 years ago. The highly contagious respiratory infection making a comeback. Besides Kingman, this week parents in Mays were told 2 students at Mays South Elementary were diagnosed with whooping cough. Kingman County's health department immunized several there after their single case arose.
There are some people that are not immunized. Parents choose not to vaccinate their children for whatever reason that might be.
The health officials say not getting immunized is putting others at risk.
Most people have never seen a case of pertussis in their lifetime. It can be a very serious illness, especially to infants who can't be immunized.
And that's why Kristen Epley, mother of 2, wishes all would get vaccinated.
I'm just concerned for the other kids that haven't been vaccinated. My kids are vaccinated.
Courtney Latham says she's concerned about those not vaccinating because she says her son Lucius is disease susceptible even though he's vaccinated.
I hope that parents would go out and vaccinate their children and make sure that they're taken care of, because we have kids that we vaccinate that have still medical problems that catch things real easily, and it's harder for them to heal faster.
The health authorities say they can't emphasize enough immunizations as a defense against whooping cough. In Kingman, Chris Frank, KAKE News.
Thank you, Chris. Okay, here are the symptoms of whooping cough. They're similar to the common cold: runny nose, sneezing, mild cough, and low-grade fever. After 1 or 2 weeks, though, the patient will have severe coughing spells, which can last more than a minute and end with a whooping sound when breathing in.